Hello dear students. Today we would be talking about meaning of environment, nature and scope of environmental studies. We will also talk about importance of environmental studies. Friends, we have been very much familiar with the word environment since our very early childhood. Now let us talk about the meaning of environment. The term environment is derived from the word environ, which means to be around. That means whatever around us that makes up environment. Second definition is uh, given by Tansley. He was a plant ecologist. He defines the environment as sum total of those effective conditions in which organisms live. In other words, you can say that environment is the aggregate of total conditions and surroundings of mankind. Surrounding includes all living and non-living factors. Living or biotic factors like natural vegetation or green plants, animals, microorganisms, macroorganisms, birds, etc. And non-living or abiotic factors includes air, water, soil, climate, minerals, etc. Now, let us talk about nature of environmental studies. Environmental studies is interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary subject as it invites attention of varied disciplines like physical sciences, life sciences and many more. Physical sciences includes physics, chemistry, earth science, atmospheric sciences, oceanography, geography, etc. Then life sciences includes biology, biochemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, etc. Then environmental studies is also learned in civil engineering, chemical engineering, hydraulics, nanotechnology, etc. Environmental studies is also studied in economics. In economics, Malthusian theory is there. Malthusian theory is the major element of population geography. Okay, then environmental studies you learn in sociology, in law faculty. There are different laws for protecting environmental elements. You will learn all those things in law. Okay, then education, management, mass communication, etc. Okay. The nature of the environmental studies is heterogeneous and dynamic. As a result, the pattern of man and environment actions are very much complex. Now, let us see scope of environmental studies. Proper utilization of environmental resources is very essential for the survival of human civilization. Therefore, scope of environmental studies is extensively wide. Environmental studies creates awareness among the people regarding proper utilization of natural resources, Then environmental studies provides knowledge about ecology and biodiversity. Environmental studies helps to understand population distribution and pattern of settlements. Then environmental studies also help to understand economic activities of man, economic or commercial activities of man, factors affecting environmental factors affecting on economic activities of man, etc. Then environmental studies also help to understand environmental issues like pollution, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, then desertification, deforestation, etc. Now let us see main objectives or aims of environmental studies. Okay, here there are 5 objectives given. You can add many more. First and important objective of environmental studies is to develop a balanced view of the relation between environment and development. Second, to appreciate the role of the individual, community, national and international organizations in solving environmental problems or environmental issues. Third, to create an awareness regarding environmental issues. This is very much important. Okay, then fourth is to acquire the skills for identifying environmental problems and contribution towards conservation of environment and its elements. Then fifth objective is to participate in improvement, protection of environmental elements. Now let us look at importance of environmental studies. Environmental studies is a basic science about our earth and its daily activities, and therefore this science is important for one and all. Environmental studies having lots of importance. Let us see one by one. Environmental studies provides us basic knowledge of environment. It helps us to understand its components like biotic and abiotic. It helps to understand the impacts of development on environment. Fourth is to realize the environmental problems are global. Okay, that means environmental studies helps to realize us the environmental problems are global. Then it helps to discover sustainable ways of lifestyle or sustainable ways of living. Then it helps to utilize natural resources efficiently or in a sustainable manner. Okay. In next video, we will be talking about components of environment. Till then, goodbye. Have a wonderful day.